I'll now show you how to install Tumblr onto your BlackBerry device. So open up your browser and go to sideloadblackberry.com. And from here we're going to look for the Tumblr icon. Just click on that. And then look for the download link. Just click on the link. And just hit download. Save the file. And wait for it to finish downloading. Okay, now we're going to open it. Hit install. And we're going to have to turn on the allow app installation option. So just go to settings and just turn that on and hit back. And hit install again. And now we wait until the app is done installing. Accept. Okay, it's done installing. Let's go to our homepage and test it out. So there we have Tumblr. Let's open it. And there we go. From here, just log in and enjoy the app. Thank you for watching.